Hi guys, welcome back. This is Tanya at Sidegigcrafts. I have got to finish it Friday for you. Yep, I finished a project. I have been so excited about this one. It's something I've been working on for several days, and it's just, I love how it turned out. I used my Sidegigcrafts Santa and turned him into a lumberjack for this album. I got this, this album is a tutorial from Lollapalooza. I will definitely link the, it's a series of videos, so I'll link the first one in the description box. You guys can follow that to get to the others, but it's such a fun book. It's an album of albums, so record albums. It's got a musical. Now, I will say I've been sick, and I I need to glue that back better. I intended to use music paper on here and totally forgot. So mine has a little more of a, you know, it's got records on it, but I forgot to add music paper or something, you know, that tells why it would be, you know, music related. And I have no sentiments or anything on here, but luckily this is going to a crafter, and I know that she can make whatever changes she likes. So made this cute old Santa lumberjack on here and put the record in the front. I put an ATC card here in this first little pocket. It's got all my information on the back with a ho ho ho. Got a little tag here. You guys have seen me making some of these things over the week. So the idea is to have a daily a daily December daily. So there's plenty. I can actually put another one in there of something. I'll have to find one that's different because I've got, I think, one of each of the ones I've got already. I could put another something in there. Got some deer on this page. Got to use a lot of my die cuts. It had so much fun with that. And some wood pieces. I'm going to make her a couple other things. There's some fun things in here that I put in there so she can decorate or use for whatever. There's another record here. She can use this page to decorate. Put some pictures on maybe. I was going to put another die cut on there, and I realized I'm not leaving her much space. So I want to make sure I do. Put a little tag in there. And put another record on this one. It's just got that snowflake all the way around. And then this one actually flips open. Got another tuck spot, another spot here. Another record here. So she can write on the back of these. These are blank on the back. You can use a white pen or put some, you know, tape something on there if she wants to. Glue something on there, whatever she wants to do. Another two pockets here. Fold that one back up. And a pocket here. I think that was it. This one's glued shut. And then we've got two tuck spots here. So she can put some things in there. And then this one is an envelope. She can put something in there. Probably should put something in there for her. And then this one is a shaker. Now this one I think is a lot of fun because not only is a shaker, but I put a pocket on the back of it. So it's clear, but I put a pocket on the back so she can put, these are actually printouts of old pictures that I found at the antique store. And she can put her own picture in here so that it looks like she's in the snow. I thought that was kind of a cute thing. So I've given her those two cards. She can journal on the back of those. And let's see, I'll put that back. So, and it's a shaker, so it looks like snow. It's got little reindeer in there. But I love these pictures. I thought they were perfect for this project. So I printed those out for her. And then put this one in this way. And then I clipped some tickets on there with a reindeer paper clip. And another album here. And then this one has a couple pockets. I put this tag here. And I put a couple little extra little records in there. And then last but not least, we've got a little record here. And another pocket. So that's it for that one. I'm probably going to add a few more goodies. I tied it with some seam binding that I made. I'll add a few more goodies to her box. But I wanted to show you guys how this turned out since you were with me to make the tags. Hope you guys like it. Hope she loves it. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.